Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Olivera, come on over, come say hi. It's not only Oliver, but I also have another guest. And it's Olivera.
She's gonna take the stage.
Yeah, come here. Come say hi.
Hello.
So this is Olivera, and these are FBOs actually from Canada. And I will take the opportunity. I'm gonna ask Oliver about about his secrets. We all want to know the secrets, right? So he's so successful building the business all around the globe, and I would like to hear from you. How do you build actually the business? What's the priority in terms of growing successful forever business?
Okay, good question. I get this question a lot. Everybody wants to be successful, and everybody wants to know the secret or the main ingredient.
Sure.
And it's much more simpler than people think. And it all comes down to 4 case credits. Now. It comes down to 4 case credits. Now, I highly suggest that we all should retail or sell or buy and sell or online or whatever way you want to find, and to do 4 case credits yourself, like retailing, selling. It may sound a lot, but it's not. And then sponsor 1 or 2 people during that month. Because when you do that, what happens is you can really say, oh my goodness, this is so easy. And you do it 1 month, 2nd month, 3rd month. And only if you're active, only then you can say, I know how to do it. It is so simple, and I can teach somebody else.
Okay, do you build your business based on 4 case credits?
Totally. To be honest, I never missed, for 10 years, I never missed 1 month of being active with 4 case
But
credits.
was that a challenge actually?
It was, absolutely. But
Is it the challenge now?
And now it's not, because now I have like 15 active case credits every month.
Okay,
Because I have a lot of customers,
Uh-huh.
a lot of customer base, and a lot of people who are buying on and off, and new people coming on board. So
Okay, so last question is, what are the activities to be active with 4CC? How do you work it, and how do you teach your team?
okay, that's the perfect question. So for people to know now how to be active.
Exactly.
Yeah. So number 1, you speak with people, and you have to listen twice as much than you talk, because you have 2 ears and 1 mouth. So you listen, and then you speak, and you introduce products while you talk. That's one way, and simple way. And guess what? Talking is, how much does it cost to talk? It's free. So you can just talk and talk and talk, right? So it's completely free, and during that process you learn, and you become better and better, and you improve your communication skills. So next time the sales and how you present things will be much more powerful, and people will be more interested. That's one thing. Another thing is that I love is doing pups or experience pucks, meaning you borrow a set of products, you have like a demo set. You borrow that to one person, ask them to try, to give you their opinion, see if they like, and if they like it, that's great. If they don't like it, that's great. And they try it and they give you back. You ask them for a sale.
Sure.
Third way is sort of traditional network marketing or direct sales way, which is product presentation. Some people don't like it. Some people do like it. Some people like to sort of come together for coffee, and doesn't have to be like a traditional product presentation where you have 12 ladies and everybody's sitting and going through the catalog. It could be 2 people. So you meet with 2 people. It's almost like one-on-one, but that could be like a product presentation. So introduce that. And so one-to-one, you can post your ads in different places online, where on like a Facebook marketplace. Again, completely free. You list your products. In 2 days, you remove it again. You list it again. You remove it again. You list it again, and keep it going.
One more thing before we finish is 4CC. Is that your secret to be so successful?
It's the main thing. Our company, Forever Living, they're not asking us to do anything else.
Sure.
They don't ask us to, do 8 or 12 or 6. All we have to do is be active with 4 case credits and teach other people how to be active in our team. And imagine, you can become supervisor, assistant manager, you can become manager only by being active yourself and teaching your team to be active with 4 case credits. You can become Eagle manager the same way, senior manager. You can become diamond manager just to be active with 4 case credits and teach everybody in your team to be 4 case. That's it, as simple as it gets.
Okay, perfect. I would like to thank you so much for your time and for your suggestion. Thank you, Olivera, so much.
Thank you for having me, and it's a pleasure to sharing the secrets that everybody knows. But
Yeah.
not everybody is doing. It's really about commitment. It's not hard, but it's really committing, and you say to yourself, you know what? No matter what,